Ladies and gentlemen, your host, Golden Zulu. So today we have one interesting question which reads to say the birth of males and females are assumed to be equally likely. Find the probability that in a family of 6 children, there are exactly 3 girls. So let us assume of a certain criterion here. I want us to understand this question together. If they have said that they want exactly 3 girls, can there be exactly 3 boys? That's a very nice assumption. But look, we know that every probability is out of 1. And if they said that they were equally likely, which means there was a probability of 50%, 50%. This is the probability that existed under boys and that of girls. So which means if it is like that, which means that the probability of successfully getting girls is 1/2, and having no girls is a failure, of which it is the same 1/2. Remember, so this is a pass of having girls, and this is a failure of not having girls. The same under this, there is a success of having boys, and there is a failure again of not having boys. But we want the probability that we had 3 girls. So we know for sure that 6 combination 3 is the probability that there were exactly 3 girls. So having done that, we know to say that the successive terms that there were exactly 3 girls, remember they say that the event is equally likely. So it is 0.5 to the power 3. And the event that there were no girls, which is a failure, is still 0.5. So that when we add 0.5 plus 0.1, we get the probability, which is 1. Then here we have 6 minus 3, which is the same as 3. So we know for sure here that 6 combination 3 is the same as 20. And we know for sure that 0.5 to the power 3 is the same as 0.125. And we know for sure again that 6 minus 3 is still 3, and 0.5 to the power 3 is the same to be 1.25. 1.25 times 1.25 is the same as that, and we multiply this with a combination 20, and we get the answer to be 0.3125. So this is the probability that there were exactly 3 girls. An interesting question, right? Yeah, so this is how we basically solve such kind of questions. Your host, Golden Zulu.